Today we will start our next topic, that is NALSA Regulation 2010. We are reading about chapter unit 6 legal service, and we are reading about the free legal aid which is provided at the state fund. Now in 2010, the National Legal Service Authority, that is NALSA of India, adopted the National Legal Service Authority Free and Competent Legal Services Regulation in exercise of its power under section 29 of the Legal Service Authority Act 1987. Means the concept of free legal aid or the concept of free legal service is also given under one act, that is Legal Service Authority Act under section 29. Means this is your GK question, one word question also. Under section 29, the free and competent legal service concept is given. The regulations are applicable to the Legal Service Committee of the Supreme Court, and this act will be applicable in Supreme Court, High Court, State, District, Tulak courts, and some broad feature of this act are as follows. Means we are reading about the question may be come in your examination that write a short note on NALSA Regulation 2010. Means इस act ने भी कुछ concept add किए हैं, कुछ important points बताए हैं for the free legal aid. है ना, क्यों ज़रूरत है to the needy and the poor person who are not able to afford a lawyer. So this act is also made it to give the equal justice or to provide the justice to the poor person. So this act has having some features. They are, firstly, this act deals with the selection of panel lawyers who will deal with the free legal aid. The first concept, that selection of panel lawyers, means the civil legal service institution is visited with the authority to invite applications from legal practitioners with request professional experience to indicate that the type of cases as they may be entrusted with. Means firstly, this institution will deal with that lawyer, will enter that lawyer who will be professionalized in particular field. Like criminal lawyers होते हैं आपके, revenue lawyers होते हैं, tax related lawyers होते हैं, civil lawyers will be there. So किस case से related वो lawyer है, that application will be goes filed of in the Legal Service Authorities institution of the legal practitioners. The panel एक तैयार की जाएगी, एक पूरी पैनल तैयार की जाएगी, shall be prepared by the, who will be prepared this panel, by the executive chairman of Legal Service Institution, who will consult with the Attorney General, that is from the Supreme Court, Advocate General from the High Court, and government pleader from the district and tulaks. And the Bar Association President. Means this panel will be prepared by taking the acceptance of these persons. एक पैनल एडवोकेट की तैयार की जाएगी, who will deal this legal aid टॉपिक, फ्री लीगल एड प्रोवाइड करेगा. उस पैनल को तैयार करने के लिए दिस पर्सन्स कैन गिव देयर एक्सेप्टेंस. सो द लीगल प्रैक्टिशनर शैल हैव 3 years और मोर देन एक्सपीरियंस एट द बार फॉर बीइंग कंसिडर्ड फॉर एम्पेलमेंट. इस पैनल के लिए कौन लाइबल होगा? जो भी एडवोकेट 3 years का मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन होना चाहिए, हु कैन डन अ वर्क इन एनी कोर्ट. The personal traits like competence होना चाहिए, integrity होनी चाहिए, stability, experience shall be given due consideration to appoint that lawyer as a legal practitioner. So separate panel shall be maintained for different type of cases. Means separate panels होते हैं कि आपका cases panel में सुना जाएगा. You can go there if you are not able to pay the fees of the advocate. You can go that panel. So firstly, this Legal Service Authority Act made one panel of the advocates who deal with the different topic of the cases. अलग अलग type के cases के लिए अलग अलग panel तैयार की जाएगी. Then the regulation also provide for the retainer lawyers, and the panel has to be reconstituted every 3 years without disturbing the work of the panel lawyers. In every 3 years, this panel will be change out their lawyers and without disturbing the panels already representing ongoing cases. Already जो cases में लगे हुए हैं वो advocate को disturb नहीं करेगा. Every 3 years में उसके advocate को change कर दिया जाएगा, उस panel के advocates को change कर दिया जाएगा. And in such cases where the panel lawyers wishes to withdraw from a case entrusted to him shall communicate this to member secretary, and later may be permit him to do so. If they want to withdraw the cases that I did not want to hire this case, वो चाहता है कि नहीं hire करना चाहता, withdraw करना चाहता है, तो he can take the permission from the member secretary and with his permission he can withdraw their cases from the cases. The panel lawyer is barred for taking any fees. Barred मतलब उसको मना किया जाएगा taking any fees, remuneration or any valuable consideration from any person for whom legal services are rendered under the regulation or act ही बनाया गया है कि एक फ्री लीगल सर्विस आप प्रोवाइड करेंगे तो वो पैनल जो लॉयर्स होंगे दे कैन नॉट चार्ज एनी फीस एनी कंसिडरेशन टू फ्रॉम एनी पर्सन who will be filing the case or from behalf of them, from behalf of any person he is fighting the case, तो उनसे फीस नहीं लेगा. The panel lawyers may be withdraw from the case his name removed from the panel on account of non-performance of duties satisfactory and from action against the object purpose of the act, and if the panel lawyers will withdraw their cases without the permission his name will be removed from the panel, an account will be discharged and his object his purpose will fully be dissatisfactory with the panel. हर चीज़ से उसको हटा दिया जाएगा. That person will be removed from the panel if he will not obey his duty properly. Clear? The first in the Legal Service Authority Act, this point is added, the selection of the panel. Secondly, payment of the fees to that panel, है ना, payment तो होगी इस fees की panel की. So the regulation section specify the rules regarding the payment of fees for panel lawyers, which shall be in accordance with the state regulation. Who will pay the fees to this panel? State government पे करेंगे without any delay on the receipt of completion of proceeding from them. जितने भी cases उसने fight किए without any delay the state government will pay to him as requirement of the phase of cases. जितना भी phase में तक requirement है, जितना भी case में pay किया जाएगा, that state will pay that to that panel lawyer. It suggests periodic revision of remuneration means fees payment in honors not described for different type of services provided by panel lawyers in legal aid cases. It suggested that in every periodic he must be paid by the state in honor or honor के रूप में कि उसने इतना अच्छा वर्क किया है और that will be paid by for his services. He must be paid by for his services because no one can do his services free of cost. कोई भी नहीं करेगा ना to so the state government will pay the panel fees. Lastly, last point, last feature, senior advocate. The service of the senior advocates may be availed if the chairperson of the legal service institution from an opinion to that effect in cases of great public importance and where serious threats to life and liberty of the applicant exists. If the case required a senior advocate और ऐसा कोई केस है जिसमें लाइफ और लिबर्टी की abolition हो रहा है या उनकी उस इंस्टीट्यूशन के ओपिनियन में दिस केस विल बी वेरी मच पेइंग इम्पोर्टेंस, सो द चेयरमैन विल डिसाइड टू अपॉइंट अ सीनियर एडवोकेट फॉर दैट केस, है ना. पैनल में आपको सीनियर एडवोकेट को अपॉइंट करने के लिए दे दिया जाएगा फॉर द पर्टिकुलर केस. पब्लिकली इंपॉर्टेंट केसेस होगा तो इन दैट केसेस सीनियर एडवोकेट डील विद दैट केस. ओके, क्लियर. दिस आर द फीचर्स ऑफ द Legal Service Authority Act. Nextly, the Legal Service Authority Act 1987 provides free legal aid to certain categories. Certain categories will be there to whom this free legal aid will be provided. Firstly, the person will goes to the legal service. ऐसे तो normal person भी जाएगा, चाहेगा कि हमारी फीस नहीं लगे, हमारा केस सॉल्व हो जाए. So it provides certain criteria. किस कैटेरिया को this service will be provided. So the preamble of the act, this act का preamble है ना, जैसे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का preamble है. Similarly, this act has one preamble, an act to constitute legal service authority to provide free, competent legal services to the weaker section of the society to ensure that opportunity for securing justice are not denied to any citizen by reason of economic or other disabilities, and to organize Lok Adalat to secure their operation of the legal system, promote justice on the basis of equal opportunity. So this preamble will say that nobody will be treated unequal in the society. Everybody get the equal right to file their cases or to be here free, fair deal with the cases. सो एक इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी देने के लिए इकोनॉमिकली वीक और डिसेबल्ड पर्सन के लिए दिस एक्ट वॉज मेडेड. सो द सोसाइटी इज रिपेटिवली क्यों बनाया गया है? सो द सोसाइटी विल प्रोग्रेस एंड रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द सेम कैन बी फाउंड इन द फ्रंट्स. Give the social economic changes in the last decade and the preamble set forward needs to address grievances of the weaker section means one thing we must be remember, this act will be fully for the weaker section of the society and none should be denied for the justice being a poor. कोई poor है तो उसको justice provide नहीं किया जाएगा, ये avoid नहीं किया जाएगा. For that very purpose this act was made it. So the evils in social hierarchy should also not affect anyone seeking justice. आपकी hierarchy क्या आप पुअर फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हो, सो योर केस कैन नॉट बी फाइल्ड, यू कैन नॉट बी हेयर इन द कोर्ट. इसलिए इसको छोड़ते हुए जस्टिस प्रोवाइड किया जाए. फॉर दैट पर्पज दिस एक्ट वॉज मेड इट. क्लियरली वन प्रिम्बल इज देयर. सो दिस वॉज द मेन पर्पज टू मेक दिस act.